May matinding pangangailangan ka ba ngayon, my friend? Bills, utang, laging kulang. Listen, sabi ng Bible, God can do exceedingly abundantly above all you ask or think. And He's done it before. Sobra-sobra pa. Ephesians 3:20 ang sabi, Now to Him who is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that works in us. Greek words dito are insane, hyper, beyond, perisyo, overflowing, super perisyo, exceedingly, abundantly, beyond measure. Ang meaning nito, God doesn't just answer, He over-answers. He doesn't just supply, He over-supplies. Exactly like the story of the widow in 2 Kings 4. Diba, lubog sa utang, walang pag-asa. But when she obeyed the prophet Elisha and poured her tiny jar of oil, the oil did not stop. The supply did not stop. Ang naubos, hindi yung oil, kundi yung lalagyan. Why? Because God's supply is inexhaustible. Our needs run out, but God's provision doesn't. At ganun din sa'yo ngayon. Maybe nauubos na pera mo, puro utang pa. Maybe nauubos na ang options mo. Maybe nauubos na ang lakas mo. Pero ang supply ni God, hindi nauubos, hindi tumitigil, hindi bumababa. Your need may be big, my friend, but remember this, God's supply is always bigger. Keep on listening and reading God's Word. Believe in Jesus, the one who supplies exceedingly abundantly above all you ask or imagine. Declare this with faith. Jesus is my endless supply. His provision is greater than my need. Check out mo rin dyan yung recommended books natin sa showcase sa profile ko para laging busog ang isipan mo with good thoughts. Subscribe na rin to support our mission. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.